The third step in our trapezoid mid-segment proof is to use the distance formula to compare the lengths of these three segments. So we first need to use the distance formula to find those three lengths. Let's start with MN. Using the distance formula, it's the square root of the difference of the x's. So we have a plus d minus b squared plus the difference of the y's, c minus c squared. This gives us the square root of a plus d minus b squared, which is just a plus d minus b. So that is the distance of MN. Let's do RA. Using our distance formula, the difference of the x's squared, 2d minus 2b squared, plus the difference of the y's squared, 2c minus 2c squared. This is 0, so we end up with 2d minus 2b squared, which is simply 2d minus 2b. Lastly, we need to find the distance, the length of OP. The square root of the difference of the x's, 2a minus 0 squared, plus the difference of the y's squared. Again, this is just 0, so we're left with 2a minus 0 squared, which is just 2a. So we've now found the lengths of these three segments. Our last step is plugging those into our formula to prove that the mid-segment is half the sum of the two bases.